So, there's some fresh news on Insta360's upcoming action camera, and it's got people talking. Yep, we're diving into the latest leaks about the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and let's just say, it's looking like a serious contender in the action cam market. With a rumored price point that's surprisingly lower than expected, it seems like Insta360 is ready to take on the big players like GoPro and DJI. But the big question is, does the Ace Pro 2 have what it takes to shake things up? Let's take a closer look at what we know so far. Let's kick things off with the most exciting part, the price. According to a leak from Quadro News, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to launch in the US at $399. Now, if you're familiar with action cameras, you know this price is pretty reasonable, especially when you start comparing it to the competition. To put things in perspective, GoPro's Hero 13 Black is also priced at $399, meaning Insta360 is stepping right into the ring with GoPro at the same price point. Meanwhile, DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro is priced $50 lower at $349. Sure, DJI's got the price edge, but the Ace Pro 2 seems like it's packing more features, making that extra $50 feel like it could be worth it. Now, what makes this pricing even more interesting is that it's 11% cheaper than the original Ace Pro when it first launched. Insta360 is really giving people more cameras for less cash this time around. And honestly, we think this is a smart move. By offering top-tier specs at a wallet-friendly price, they're positioning the Ace Pro 2 as a serious contender. Okay, let's talk specs. While we're still waiting on all the nitty-gritty details, there are a few key features that have already leaked. One of the biggest head-turners is the battery life. Up to 3 hours of 8K 30 FPS recording. For anyone who's into action cameras, you know that 8K can be a battery drainer, so being able to shoot at that resolution for 3 hours straight is a big deal. This makes the Ace Pro 2 a great choice for adventurers or content creators who need a camera that can keep up with them all day without needing constant recharges. As for design, it looks like Insta360 is sticking with what works. Expect the same compact, rugged, and waterproof design as its predecessor. And with Insta360's reputation for durable gear, we're expecting the Ace Pro 2 to hold up against whatever you throw at it, whether it's crashing waves or dusty trails. Plus, Insta360 is likely to roll out various kits, like their GPS creator and motorcycle kits, making this camera super versatile for different types of users, from casual adventurers to pro filmmakers. Now, this is where things get interesting. GoPro and DJI have been the kings of the action camera space for a while now, but Insta360 is slowly creeping up on them. And with the Ace Pro 2, Insta360 is making a statement, one that GoPro and DJI just can't ignore. GoPro's Hero 13 Black is definitely a solid camera, but when you price it alongside the Ace Pro 2, it's tough to ignore that Insta360 might be offering a little more bang for your buck. And while DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro might be a little cheaper, the Ace Pro 2 seems to pack more punch when it comes to video quality and battery life. From where we're sitting, it looks like GoPro and DJI need to keep an eye on what Insta360 is up to. The action camera market is more competitive than ever, and while GoPro has long been the go-to brand, people are always on the lookout for new tech that offers better features at a better price. And Insta360 has built a solid reputation for pushing boundaries with cool, innovative features. That said, GoPro and DJI are still powerhouses in this space. They've got dedicated customers, and their ecosystems are tough to beat. But with Insta360 undercutting its previous model's price and going toe-to-toe with the big names, it's clear that we're in for some interesting competition. So, what do you think? Could the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 be the camera that shakes up the market, or will GoPro and DJI hold their ground? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech news, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.